So, this is what the trick looks like. First try, holy shit! Okay, this first part, you can get into it from a couple different ways. One, you can just do a trapeze, hook with your thumb, and do a little like 1.5 motion with your thumb. So it's, I guess it's kind of like doing 1.5 with your thumb. Yeah, it totally is. So you can get into it this way too, where I go up like that, and then I just drop the string. It's kind of fancy, looks kind of cool. Then, you're gonna underpass it, but have it go onto that string. You're gonna bring your little hand through here and your thumb through there. And you drop that shit. You're gonna swing it over, the yo-yo over your throw hand and into this little gap. And you're going to keep it on your thumb there. So that can be kind of tricky. And then once you get to here, you're going to hook your thumb in that middle string. And then you're going to go like that. Hook this string, and then you're going to like over your throw hand onto that string that you just plucked. Yeah. And then you're gonna come back from whence you came when we land on this front string. So, boom. So now you should be in like a weird trapeze thing with a little twisty, whatever. It looks like this. Okay, then you're gonna hop the yo-yo up through this little triangle that I have with my thumbs. And then you have your upside down star. Okay, so after that, you're gonna drop your two thumbs and shaboom, you're in an upside down tower. Okay, from here, this is a tricky part. You're going to reject the yo-yo out back towards you and then land on this string. So it'll do that, and that's really obnoxious. The way to get out of it quickly is to go like that, hop out towards you, boom, boom, boom. So from here, reject out back towards you, and then onto this. Okay, so now you're in like a sub mount with a little twisty. You're gonna go like that, open up that hole right there. You're gonna come out to the front, but then land on that front string. And then you're gonna hook your non-throw hand index finger through that loop and grab this. Okay, so now you're in kind of like a double triangle almost. From here, once you have it like this, you're gonna put your thumb in and you're gonna hop the yo-yo through that. From here, take out your finger, so it looks like this. You're gonna reject it out the front and land on this back string. And then again, you're gonna go forward, open that string up, go once, and then on the second time, drop this, and you're in an undermount. And you can bind from there. Okay, so again, bling, bling. Okay, you want the string on the back of your hand to come in front, and then bring your thumb out, so it looks like that. Okay, so then you drop that, bring it like that, hook the thumb, go on that string, go on the front string, hop it, reject out back towards you, but onto that back string. Go like that, open that up, go up and onto that front string. Pull your index finger through like that. It's gonna look like this, like that. And then I kind of like do this like woo, and reject out the front, land on the back, go forward, onto that one, whip it around, bind that ish.